Welcome to the channel, your go-to source for premium sports gear reviews. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned padel player, having the right racket can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best padel rackets on Amazon for 2025. From cutting-edge materials to elite-level performance, we've got something for every type of player. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion Pickleball Paddle. First up is a legend in the making, the JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion paddle. Though marketed for pickleball, this elongated carbon fiber paddle is being embraced by crossover padel players for its versatility. Surface options: choose from raw carbon or carbon abrasion for tailored spin control. Elongated grip, ideal for two-handed backhands. Carbon fiber face, explosive power with pinpoint accuracy. USAP approved, tournament-ready construction. This paddle has a solid, crisp feel, and the long handle gives you added leverage for power shots and spin-heavy slices. It's especially useful for players who switch between pickleball and padel or prefer a hybrid feel. Pros: custom surface textures for power or spin. Comfortable grip for aggressive plays. Excellent vibration control. Number 2. Carbon fiber surface Padel Racket. Next is a lightweight powerhouse, the Padel Racket with carbon fiber surface and EVA memory flex core. Designed for agility and responsiveness, this is great for intermediate players. Carbon fiber face, lightweight, durable, and stylish. EVA memory core retains shape and bounce over time. Balanced design, great for both defensive and attacking plays. This racket offers a great balance of comfort and performance, making it ideal for longer matches. The memory foam core provides a pleasant bounce and reduces hand fatigue. Pros: lightweight for fast reactions. Soft EVA foam for reduced vibration. Budget-friendly without compromising quality. Number 3. At 10 Genius Attack 18K by Agustin Tapia, 2025. Coming in strong is the At 10 Genius Attack 18K, a signature model by pro player Agustin Tapia. This diamond-shaped beast is made for players who want maximum power and exclusive technology. 18K aluminized carbon, premium face material for power strikes. MLD black EVA core, high memory response for intense plays. OS flap and spin blade technology, aerodynamic and enhanced spin. The power and feedback from this racket is intense. If you love playing aggressively near the net or executing big smashes, this racket is a dream. The design also screams luxury with its sleek finish. Pros: designed for offensive players. Premium build and responsive control. OS technology increases maneuverability. Number 4. At 10 Genius 2024, teardrop shape. This one's a fan favorite from 2024. The At 10 Genius Teardrop Shape Racket. Also backed by Agustin Tapia, this racket focuses more on balanced gameplay and advanced control. 18K aluminized carbon face. OS flap aerodynamics. Teardrop shape offers a perfect blend of control and power. Custom grip tech, personalized feel and comfort. This is a top-tier option for advanced players who love precision. The teardrop shape gives a more centered sweet spot, which makes it easier to control shots without losing offensive edge. Pros: versatile design for all-court play. Easier to handle than the diamond version. High-end aesthetics and material quality. Number 5. Bullpadel Hack 04, 2025. And finally, meet the Bullpadel Hack 04, 2025 edition. Built for professional padel athletes, this racket features some of the most advanced materials and engineering in the game. Tri-carbon 3D face, ultra-durable and spin-friendly. Multi-EVA core, dual-density core for responsiveness. Tri-core stability and smart holes, enhanced balance and control. Diamond shape, designed for serious attackers. This racket is a monster in the right hands. From control at the baseline to aggression at the net, the Hack 04 delivers a powerful, confident feel. The aerodynamics and structural stability give it a pro-level vibe. Pros: extremely durable, great for tournament players, balanced power and precision. There you have it, the top 5 best padel rackets on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're looking for power, control, or versatility, each of these rackets brings something unique to the court. All product links are in the description, so feel free to check them out and grab the one that fits your game style.